Now, players and teams continue to warm up for the start of the 2018 National Basketball League with preseason games at UWI. On Sunday, Pembroke Hall beat Majesty Legends in the second game of the triple header 72-65, despite a game-high 34 points from Devereux Preston. Michael Jackson top scored with 16 points for Pembroke Hall. Despite the loss, Khalil Smith was just happy to be playing basketball again.
They are glad right now. You know, MBL are full. Our fans them ready. Even at the day they want to come, but that's through certain funeral arrangement as well. We are well prepared, but we just need a little adjustment to our defense.
Now, in another game, Philip Anderson scored 13 points as the Spanish Town Spartans beat the Upper Room Eagles 63-59. In the third game of the triple header, Dwayne Pottinger scored 12 points for the losers. Devereux Preston of Majesty Legends was also excited about the start of the league.
It's a good feeling to see back, Jamaica's youth and, just the clubs on our whole just coming back together. From Upper Room, I know we've been training hard, so we just expect, it's going to be a good game, good interaction, good team support. And we just hope for the rest of the league, we just come out strong and we just come out on top.
Now, UWI Running Rebels beat St. George's Slayers 58-51 in the first of the triple header thanks to 14 points from Kimani Friend.